All right, good morning. August 3rd, marathon month, which means I'm basically doing a marathon a day, every day that I'm hiking. So yesterday was day 3, today's day 4. I just haven't been able to get out of bed yet. So I decided to take a late start, have breakfast in bed, my second cup of coffee, and just relax, and then just know that I'll probably have to hike until sundown tonight, which is fine. Lots of different ways to get miles in. As I'm learning, what works one day doesn't always work the next. So you have to really, at this point, for me, listen to my body. My feet tell me everything, it seems like. Between my feet and my stomach, those are my two. I notice when things aren't going well in those two areas. So my feet definitely are a little bit sore, but we've cranked out a lot more miles than I had before, so a part of me thinks that it's just the extra impact on the feet and not anything more injury-like. But definitely sore. Part of the reason why I couldn't get out of bed today is when I barely lifted my leg, my whole foot was like, no, you're kidding me. We are not doing this again. So I said, no problem, breakfast in bed, and we'll get it done later, because there's no rules to this life. So pretty exciting stuff. If you make it to August and you're lucky enough to still have a chance, it's a little bit easier to focus now that it's a little bit shorter in distance and time and in miles. It's starting to feel a little bit more real and a little bit more fun because of that, I think. So like I said, when we cross the 1,000-mile mark, warm-up is over. And if you still have a chance at finishing, you either take the chance or not. And I decided to take the chance. So give myself a chance and see what happens. And that's all I can do. Had this river, probably can't see the river because it's through the trees, but the white noise last night was so nice. The last few nights I've heard a lot of animals, so it was nice to just sleep to the water and not have to worry about how close is that animal and what is it and all that stuff. So life is good. Cheers from Northern California, 30 miles to Belden. I'm gonna stop there in the morning just for coffee and get a couple things before I head out to do 2 more days to Chester. So here's to Chester, and halfway done with the miles by the time I get there. Cheers.